In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Sam's Club order report. To get started, head over to the official Sam's Club website and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the account connected to the orders you want to review, since your purchase records will only appear under the correct membership profile. Once you're signed in, give the page a moment to fully load so all account options are available. Next, go to your account area and open Order History. This is where you can see your online purchases. If you're looking for items bought inside a physical Sam's Club location, you may also need to check Purchase History. As long as those purchases were linked to your membership account at the time of checkout, this distinction is important because online orders and in-club purchases may appear in different sections. After that, use the available filters to narrow down your results. Depending on what Sam's Club shows on your account, you may be able to filter by date range, order status, or order type. This step can save a lot of time, especially if you have a long order history. For example, if you only need a recent purchase or a completed order, applying filters makes it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through every transaction. Once you've located the right order, click into it to open the order details. Here, you'll usually be able to review key information such as the order number, purchase date, the items included in the order, quantities, the total amount, shipping status, and sometimes payment information. This is the page you want to check carefully before downloading anything, just to confirm you've selected the correct order. If a receipt or downloadable version is available, look for an option such as print receipt, download receipt, or something similar. The wording can vary slightly, but the goal is the same. Open the printable version of the order record. If there isn't a direct download button, you can still save it by using your browser's print feature and selecting Save as PDF instead of printing to paper. This is a simple and reliable way to create a digital copy of your order report. Finally, save the receipt or PDF in a secure folder on your computer or device. Keeping it organized can be helpful for future reference, expense tracking, returns, reimbursements, or tax documentation. And that's it. That's how